children, how are you all? I am your Sumrata madam. I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Are you all watching videos and writing worksheets, children? Okay, very good. Did you all complete the homework which I have given you previous? Okay, children, now I will give the answers for that. Okay, once you recheck the answers. Okay children, so what is the homework I have given you? Yes, organizations that help us. In that I have given you the fill in the blanks. Right? Okay, the first one, now I am giving the answers, children. The duty of dash is to solve crimes. The duty of police. So the answer is police. Okay children. Next, if you are lost, you should go to, here also children, police or traffic police. Anything is correct. So if you are lost, children, you should go to police. And we go to dash when we fall ill. Where you'll go when you fall ill? We'll go to hospitals. We go to hospital. Okay. Next, fourth one. When there is a dash on the road, people take the injured to the nearest hospital. So when there is an accident, so the answer is accident. Next, dash and dash help us in hospitals. Who will help us in hospitals, children? So the answer is doctors and nurses. So these are the answers, children. If you have written all the 5 correct, you keep 3 stars. If you have written 3 correct, keep 2 stars. If you have written 1 correct, keep 1 star. Okay children. Okay children, in previous class we have discussed about organizations that help us. In these 2 topics we have discussed, children, about hospitals and police, right? And now today I am going to explain another 2 topics. It is banks, post office. Children, if your parents give you money, where do you keep, children? Yes, you'll keep in kitty bank, right? So why do you keep that money in that kitty bank? You will save the money and you will use that money for your purpose, right? In the same way, as you are saving the money, even the people, though, that means like your parents or grandparents or elder people, will save their money in banks. Okay. So the purpose of the bank is to save the money. So now look here. So the topic is banks. We keep our money in bank for safety. So where we'll keep our money, children? We'll keep our money in the bank for. Okay children. So we are keeping our money in the bank for safety, right? What the banks will do, children? The banks will give the money those who are in need to the other people, and in addition for that, what the bank will do, children, they will pay us interest to that money. Okay, so like that, if we save money in the bank, we will get interest. No, so like that our money also will be increased in the bank. Okay, so like that the bank will do transaction between the people. And not only that, children, and banks will lend loans for the common people, and also for the farmers. Under how the banks will help, children? They will give money to buy the seeds and also agricultural tools. And not only that, children, for students also the banks will be very helpful. How the banks will be helpful for students, children? Yes, it will help for the students for higher studies. That means the bank will give loan for the students for higher studies. Okay, so and not only for the students, children, and for the business people also, the banks will give loans to increase their business. Okay, so like that the banks will be useful for our common man, for students and for farmers and also business people. To everyone, bank is so helpful, children. Okay, so now let us see this. Lend money. Banks lend money to farmers to buy seeds and agricultural tools. And how the banks are useful for students, children? To students for higher studies, to people for loans to buy homes and cars. So for the common people, the bank will give loan children to buy homes and cars. Okay, so like this the banks are very useful to the people. And earlier children, we used to draw money from the bank. It used to take lot of time, maybe half of the day or one day also it used to take. But nowadays it is very easy for us to draw the money. Within seconds we are able to draw the money. How, children? Yes, can anybody say? Yes, like ATM. So what is ATM, children? Automated teller machine. Okay, what is this picture, children? This is ATM. So in this, children, if you will have one card, right, ATM card, all your parents will be using nowadays, right? So this ATM card is used for drawing the money from this ATM. Okay. So ATM means automated teller machines. So what is the use of these, children? They are provided by banks to withdraw our money at any time. So whenever we need money, children, nowadays it is very easy for us to draw the money easily. If you go to ATM and with that card, if we all will have our ATM cards, right, with that cards we can easily draw the money. So like this, banks are very helpful for the common man also, children. Like easily we can draw the money. Okay, children. So like this about our bank. Children, I hope you all understood about banks. And now the next topic is post office. Now I will discuss you about post office. Okay, children. Okay, children, what you can see in this picture? Yes, it is post office, children. Here you can see one postman is here and letters and some are drawing money and all, right? Okay, now let us discuss about post office. Children, earlier how the message has been transferred, children, do you know? Can anyone say? Yes, yeah, the messages have been transferred through birds. Earlier, that means long ago at the king's time and all. And in the movies like Bahubali and all, you can see, no, a bird is bringing a message to Prabhas, right? So like that, earlier the messages are being sent through birds. Okay. Later, as the technology have been developed, children, the post office has been implemented and the messages have been transferred through letters. Okay. So in the post office, what we can see, how the post office is helpful for us. So let us learn about the post office, children. Post office. The postal system helps us to receive and send mail all over the country. See, but through post office or postal systems, children, we used to get the mails and receives. We can send the mail and receive the mail all over the country. Okay. And what is the use of this post office? Telegrams, money orders, letters can be sent through post office. See, what is the use of this telegram, children? Earlier, nowadays we are having mobiles and all to pass the information so easily, and within seconds we are getting information. But earlier, children, if any emergency is happened, so what happens, we used to write in telegrams. So within one day or within hours we used to get this information if it very emergency and all. So that these telegrams are used for emergency purpose. Money orders. Money order means what, children? Earlier people used to send money through post. Okay, now we are getting money through ATM and all, right? But in villages and all, those people are living, some of the people used to live in cities. They want to send money to the parents, those are living in villages. So earlier what they used to do is, they used to send the money through money order, and the postman used to give that money to the people, to the concerned people. Okay. And letters means you all know, no, letters is nothing but passing the information. So they in this also, earlier as I told you, now we are having mobiles for the information, but earlier these letters are only used for sending or receiving the information from others and all. The relation, the family relation and the friendship all used to be very communicated through these letters only. Okay children, and so here telegrams, money orders, letters can be sent through post office. So in this way the post office is useful. And one more thing children, told you know children, banks are used to save the money. Not only banks children, we can save money in the post office also. We can open an account in the post office and we can save the money in post office also. Okay children, so in this way also post office will be helpful for us. Okay, look here. We can open an account and save money in post office as we do in a bank. So okay children, not only in the bank children, we can open an account in the post office and also we can save money in the post office children. And whenever we need it, we can draw the money easily. Okay, they will give one passbook and in that your money will be saved in that. And when you want, if you take that passbook children, they will give the money with your signature. Okay, so like that, so banks are also helpful for us. So in this way, for banks and post office both are helpful for us. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Okay, shall I give the homework? Okay. Children, in banks we can save lot of money, but that means if there is huge money only you can save in a banks. But in post office children, if you have 100 rupees like that also you can go and open an account and you can save money in that. So we can save money in the post office like that children. So like that banks and post office are helpful for us, for the common people also. Okay, and now coming to the homework children, today also I am giving you the fill in the blanks. So the first one, children, we keep our money in dash for safety. We keep our money in dash for safety. Second one, banks lend money to farmers to buy dash and dash. Banks lend money to farmers to buy dash and dash. Third one, banks lend money to students for dash. Banks lend money to students for dash. Fourth one, dash helps us to withdraw our money at any time. Dash helps us to withdraw our money at any time. Fifth one, we can send dash and dash through post office. We can send dash and dash through post office. Okay children, I hope you understood this topic. Okay, complete these answers children. Don't go out, be safe, stay at home. Okay children, and take care. Bye bye.